To fix Microsoft Store error code 0x80073CF9, something went wrong on Windows 11 or 10, first go to your laptop and search for command prompt. Afterwards, click on the Open option or click on the Run as Administrator. After putting on or clicking on the necessary options, you will see there or you will be asked, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click on the Yes options. After clicking on the Yes options, you will be redirected on the page where you will see their different codes. So you have to wait until it became a beginning verification phase system scan to 100% complete. Afterwards, go ahead and go back to the settings of your laptop or PC and search for WS Reset and then click on that. After clicking on that, what you need to do is to click on Run as Administrator and then you can go ahead and open your Microsoft Store if you still encounter the C error.